Three truths every believer must know. Based on Psalms 103, ang sabi po, know ye that the Lord, He is God. It is He that hath made us, and not we ourselves. We are His people and the sheep of His pastures. Ito pong Psalms 100 is a joyful hymns. Isang masayang awit po ito ng pagsamba, pasasalamat at papuri sa Panginoon. Dito po sa chapter 100 verse 3, ito po yung nagbibigay sa atin ng tatlong foundational truths about our relationship with God and that lead us to worship Him with gratitude and confidence. So ano po yung mahalagang katotohanan na dapat nating malaman base po sa Psalms 103? Point number 1, know that the Lord is God. Ang sabi nga po doon sa talata, know ye that the Lord, He is God. This Psalms begins with a call to acknowledge who God is. Kaya kailangan po sa ating pagpupulis, kailangan unang ma-acknowledge natin kung sino ang Panginoon. He alone is the true God, the Creator, the Redeemer, and King. Kaya nga po, this knowledge is more than intellectual information. Hindi lang po ito head knowledge, but it is a personal conviction that He shapes how we live. Po. Kaya nga po, when we recognize God's sovereignty over us, we trust Him during uncertainty. Kahit hindi natin sigurado o tiyak ang kinabukasan, magtitiwala tayo sa Kanya. We worship Him above all else and we submit our lives to His leadership. Katulad nga po ng isang passenger plane, kapag ikaw ay nakasakay sa aeroplano, nagtitiwala ka sa pilotong kayo'y makakarating sa iyong destinasyon. Likewise, believers find peace when they remember that God is in control of life's journey. Kaya nga po, in times of anxiety, confusion, or suffering, remind yourself that the Lord is God and He is still on the throne. Point number 2, God is our Creator. Ang sabi po sa talata, it is He that hath made us and not we ourselves. We did not create ourselves. God is our Maker. This truth gives every human being dignity, value, and purpose. Kaya nga po, kung papansinin natin, because God created us, we belong to Him. No, sa Kanya lang po tayo at hindi kanino man. Our lives have meaning and our identity is found in Him, not in achievements, not in failures or opinions of others. Katulad nga po ng isang masterpiece of worthlessness, masterpiece ng isang artist na kapag kasi gumawa ng isang kanyang obra maestra, likewise, every person has worth because they are created by God. Ang sabi nga po ni Ginang Ellen White, the crowning act of God's creation. Ikaw at ako yun, tayong mga tao. So, when feelings of worthlessness arise, remember, I am God's creation. My value comes from Him. At hindi kanino man nanggagaling ang ating value. Our identity and worth are rooted in God who created us. And the point number 3, we are God's people and His sheep. Sabi nga po sa talata, we are His people and the sheep of His pastures. This speaks of relationship, care, and belonging. Ibig sabihin po, God is not merely our creator, He is also our shepherd. Hindi lang po siya ang ating manlalalang, kundi siya din po ang ating pastor na nag-iingat. Kaya nga po, tandaan natin, ang isang tupa, sheep, depends on the shepherd for protection, guidance, provision, and care. Tandaan po natin, God knows His people personally. Kilala ka ng Panginoon personally. And He watches over them and leads them through life's challenges. Kaya nga po, ang isang shepherd, ang isang pastor ay hindi niya iniiwan ang kanyang tupa. He never abandoned his flock. When a sheep wanders, the shepherd seeks it. Kaya nga po, yung talinghaga tungkol po sa isang daang tupa at ang isa'y nawawaglit, iniwan niya yung 99 at hinanap niya yung isa. So when danger comes, the shepherd protects his flock. And in the same way, God lovingly cares for his children. Kaya nga po, when you feel lost, lonely, or overwhelmed, remember, sabihin nyo lang po, I am one of God's sheep and He is my shepherd. Tandaan po natin, we belong to God and He faithfully cares for us. Kaya nga po ang sabi sa 1 Peter 5:7, cast all your cares on God because He cares for you. God bless everyone.